What up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. As always, hope you guys are cutting on. So, fam, today I'm going to share with you the dreaded thing of not finding work during the fall and what we're going to try to do about it. Because at the end of the day, if you ain't working, bills are not getting paid. But first, if you're new to the channel, I am just a lawn care pro trying to take my $300,000 business to $500,000. And I'm sharing my ups and downs and some of the things that I'm doing in order to cut on. So fam, to get right into it, I am doing 3 things to try to put work in the books this fall. And one of them is, I'm just gonna come out with it, is doing ads on Nextdoor. Now, right now, they have created a platform where you can literally be able to communicate with people who is in your vicinity, sort of like Facebook, how Facebook would do it, but the difference is this app is primarily for the communication between neighbors. Okay, so basically where you are located, and they give you a perimeter around. You go as far as 50 miles out, but who would do that? That would not be your neighbor. That would not be next door. But you get the idea, and the price for the ads is reasonable. They're cheap. So I said, hey, let me see if this works. I'm gonna throw that on the wall, see how it pans out. I got a lot of views, but I just haven't had a lot of people on the hook as of yet. So that's one of the things that I'm doing. Nextdoor, check it out. Number 2 thing I'm doing, you know me, baby. I'm putting out flyers. Yeah, I have a got leaf flyer that I put out, and yes, we blanketed. And I know some of y'all saying I don't touch the mailbox, and I get it. I don't either, but I do touch the post. So we put it on the post, and one of the things I'm going to say to you is that we done had at least one person say, "Hey, man, I want you to come do my yard because I love your flyers," and that's the truth. That's what he said. So definitely, your flyers is a representation of what you look like. So if you're going to do a good job, somehow they believe you're going to do a good job, because ain't nobody going to spend good money and not do a good job. And that's what we have done. We're spending some money on creating these flyers, and it represents us very well. So, of course, if you're looking for flyers, I got a guy. Just let me know. Hit me up on my email or just ask me in the chat. Now, the final thing that I'm doing to fill my books is we're knocking on doors. And I'm going to tell you something. My guys feel a little nervous about knocking on the door. It's almost like begging, but I tell them, closed mouths don't get fed. So one of the things, or one of the strategies you must have if you're going to knock on anyone's door, you need to give them something like a gift. So one of the things that we do, we give them a gift. We have a $25 off Quick Cutz gift card. So we give that to them. We say, hey, really appreciate you coming to the door and hear what we have to say. Here's $25 off, even if you don't take our services that we're offering for the day. That's how you start off, fam. Give them something. The second thing you need to know when you're knocking on someone's door is you should already have a number in mind. Go up there with a number in mind. Now, I do tell my guys that, hey, man, we need to sell work. You know what I'm saying? Even if we're breaking even, we need to sell work, because if our truck's not moving, we're not making any money. And you guys still need to pay bills. So we need to get this truck moving, right? So fam, so one of the things I know, like right now I'm at $50 per man hour. I really want to get up to $75 per man hour, but right now they ain't trying to hear it because all the stuff that's going on. So we're pretty much at $50 per man hour here over at QC. However, I'm going below my $50 per man hour just to get work this fall. Now, the way I'm doing it is I decide whether or not I want to do the work, because if I do the work, I'm seeing that their neighbors next to them where I'll go over there and say, hey, look, I'm doing this house right here. Can I do your house? And I'm giving the price, and I'm trying to walk away with some cash on that same day. So this is something you got to do, man. Fam, I know a lot of times people say, hey, my truck ain't cranking up unless I'm getting X, Y, Z. Yeah, I get it, man. If they are in the market and they clientele's like that. But during the fall for me, I gotta just say, I gotta yield to it because I'm trying to build it up. And anytime you're starting out something, it will build as long as you keep pushing on, or in my case, keep cutting on. So, fam, definitely offer them something where they like, yo, you knocking on my door. You ain't gonna give me full price. I ain't call you. So that's what I do. So I definitely discount the first one and then work from there. I'm just saying, fam, you gotta put out these flyers. You gotta choose to put out ads. And the last but not least, sometimes you gotta hook them up. So cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.